How to delete music from your Facebook profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete music from your Facebook profile. Whether you are updating your vibe or just want to clean slate, removing songs is super easy. Now without further ado, let's get started. So start by opening the Facebook app. Once you are in the app, simply tap on your profile icon next to what is on your mind. And once you are in your profile, simply scroll down until you see the music that you have added. And once you have located that, simply tap on the three dot icon beside it and the pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on delete song from profile. And that's it. You have successfully deleted music from your Facebook profile. It's quick and easy way to keep your profile feeling fresh and up to date. And with this, I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.